Hello, good morning all. If you recall, in the last class, we have talked about various derived logic gates. Now I am sure all of you are familiar with all logic gates, isn't it? Today, we shall be talking about another grouping of logic gates, that is universal gates. As all of you know, NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Why we call NAND and NOR universal gates? The reason is we can construct all gates using this NAND gate or NOR gate only. That means all other gates, all other 6 gates can be constructed using NAND gate only. And all other 6 gates can be constructed using NOR gates only. Hence, they are called universal gates. First, we take the case of NAND gate. Let's look how all other gates are implemented using NAND gate. I will show you a magic. I have only NAND gate with me, but I can do all operations of all other gates. I will show you one by one. First, NOT gate. Here, this is equivalent to a NOT gate. Using a single NAND gate, you can realize NOT operation. This circuit produces output similar to NOT gate. The truth table of this NOT gate and this gate will be the same. Let's check. As we all know, this is NOT gate. When A is the input, the output will be A complement or A bar. This is the realization of NOT gate with NAND. When you input A here, you will get an output A bar here, as in the case of NOT gate. NOT gate is having only single input, but NAND gate is having 2 inputs. By joining the inputs of NAND gate together, we can construct NOT gate. Let's check. Here, this is the output of this NAND gate X. X is equal to A dot A whole complement, because this is NAND operation. When A and B are the inputs to the NAND gate, the output will be A dot B whole complement. Here, the 2 inputs are A and A. So, X is equal to A dot A bar. By idempotent law, we all know that A dot A is similar to A. So, here A dot A the whole complement is equal to A complement itself. This is similar to NOT gate. Hence, it is proved that this is equal to the NOT gate circuit. Next, AND gate. Using 2 NAND gates, we can construct AND gate. Let's check. This is AND gate and the output here is A dot B. When A and B are the inputs, the output will be A dot B. We all know NAND is the combination of AND or NOT, or NAND is the complement of AND gate. The reverse is also correct. When complementing NAND, we will get AND gate. Here, first this is an NAND gate and the output will be A dot B whole complement. Then inverting this output, we will get A dot B double complement, that is similar to A dot B. We cannot use NOT gate since we are constructing circuit with only NAND gates. So, replace this NOT gate with a NAND gate, with a single input NAND gate. Here A and B are the inputs. The output of this NAND gate is A dot B whole complement. And when this output of this NAND gate is A dot B double complement. This is equal to A dot B, which is similar to AND gate. Hence, it is proved that this circuit is similar to this AND gate. Using two NAND gates, we can construct an AND gate. Next, OR gate. We need three NAND gates to construct OR operation. Let's check. This is the OR operation with A and B as inputs. A plus B will be the output. This is the OR realization using three NAND gates. Here A bar will be the output and here B bar. Here the output is A bar dot B bar whole complement. That is X is equal to A bar dot B bar whole complement. By De Morgan's law, we know that A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So, A bar dot B bar whole complement is equal to A bar bar plus B bar bar. That is, this A bar together we considered as A and this B bar is considered as B. So, A bar dot B bar, like this, A bar bar plus B bar bar. Double complement of a variable is the variable itself. So, this equals A plus B. This A plus B, the X here, the output X is A plus B, which is the output of the OR gate. Hence, it is proved that this circuit is similar to OR gate. Here we used three NAND gates to construct OR gate. Next is NOR gate. Since we already constructed OR gate, now it is so easy to construct NOR gate. We constructed OR gate using three NAND gates. Here we can use another NAND gate to invert the output of this NAND gate. So that the output will be NOR gate. Let's check. We all know that OR plus NOT is equal to NOR. OR gate followed by a NOT gate, we will get NOR gate. We already constructed OR gate. This is the OR implementation using AND gates, and here the output will be A plus B. And this output A plus B is put as input to a NAND gate, to a single input NAND gate. This NAND gate performs the operation similar to a NOT gate. Hence, we get the output here A plus B whole complement. This is similar to the output of a NOR gate. So, this circuit altogether is same as a NOR gate. Here 4 NAND gates required for constructing a NOR equivalent. Next is XOR gate. Listen carefully. This is somewhat complex than the rest. We are going to check XOR and XNOR together. This is the realization of XOR gate. Let's check. First, let us look what is XOR operation and XNOR operation. This is XOR gate. With inputs A and B, the output of the XOR gate Y is equal to A XOR B. That operation A XOR B means A bar B plus AB bar. What is XNOR operation? XNOR operation is the complement of XOR operation. That XNOR operation is equal to AB plus A bar B bar. Let's check the XOR realization, whether it is correct or not. A and B are the inputs here. So, the output of this NAND gate is A dot B complement. What will be the output of this NAND gate? Let us call it as X. X is equal to, here two input, one is A and the second input is A dot B complement. We can call it as AB bar. So X is equal to A dot AB bar whole complement. That is, X is equal to A dot AB bar whole complement. We can simplify this AB bar. By De Morgan's law, AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So here this will become A dot A bar plus B bar the whole complement. By multiplying A dot A bar plus A dot B bar the whole bar. This A dot A bar will be 0. So the result is A dot B bar whole bar. Again we are applying De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law states that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Here this is A and B bar together is B. So by applying De Morgan's law, it will be like this: A bar plus B bar bar. The double complement of a variable is the variable itself. So it will be A bar plus B. This is the X. This is the output of this NAND gate. It is X is equal to A bar plus B. Similarly, we can check what will be the output of this NAND gate. We call it as Y. Y is equal to B dot AB bar whole complement. Here we are following the same procedure as in the case of X, and we'll get Y is equal to B bar plus A. So we get two X and Y here. X is equal to A bar plus B and Y is equal to B bar plus A. What will be the output of this gate? This is Z. Z is equal to, here X, the output will be X dot Y whole bar. X is equal to A bar plus B and Y is equal to B bar plus A. So Z is equal to A bar plus B dot B bar plus A the whole complement. Let's multiply A bar into B bar plus A bar into A plus B into B bar plus B into A. These two terms will be 0. A into A bar is 0. B into B bar is 0. So this is equal to A bar B bar plus AB bar. Can you compare this Boolean expression with any of the other expressions which we have already studied? Yes. This can be read as AB plus A bar B bar. Yes. This is the output of XNOR gate. AB plus A bar B bar. This is the output of XNOR gate. Hence, we can write it as A XNOR B whole bar. What will be the complement of XNOR gate? Yes, complement of XNOR gate is XOR gate. So, set here is A XOR B. So, we proved that this output set is A XOR B. So, this circuit with 4 NAND gates is similar to XOR gate. Next, XNOR gate. We already discussed XOR gate. By adding a single inverter or a single NAND gate at the end of the circuit, we can build XNOR gate. This is XNOR gate. As we all know, this part is XOR part. This XOR gate followed by a inverter. The inverter here it is realized with a NAND gate and we will get XNOR operation. Here 5 NAND gates used for creating XNOR realization. In conclusion, we can say that all other gates, here we built 6 other gates using NAND gates only. All other gates can be constructed using NAND gates. Hence, NAND gate is called a universal gate. I hope this is clear for you. Thank you for watching.